Lord have mercy. Look at that Boston butt pork roast, slow cooked in a crock pot for hours. Good God, make you wanna slap somebody. I cook just about everything. Good Lord. Hello, everyone, and thank you for coming back to Cooking with Sandra Faye. Today, guys, we are cooking a Boston butt pork roast. No, it's not a beef roast, it's a pork roast. For all you people who love pig. I love pig, beef, chicken, seafood. I almost love it all, but I don't do game. So you won't see any game like squirrels and possums and stuff like that. I don't eat that. Deer, I don't eat deer meat. Sorry, y'all. You would not see no cooking recipes with those types of animals. When it comes to meat, I don't eat them, okay? I'm not saying nothing's wrong with it. I just don't cook it and I don't eat it, okay? All right. Moving right along here, y'all. Let's get to this Boston butt pork roast. It's gonna be so tender. Now you can add more stuff if you like, or omit some stuff that you don't like. It's up to you. But as long as you cook it, and we gonna cook it in a crock pot. Y'all getting ready? You ready? Okay, here we go. Here are the seasonings that I will be using. You can use Lipton onion cup of soup if you don't want to use this, okay? You can do that, all right? And make sure you wash your veggies. I have chicken bouillon cubes and also flour. 2.5 pounds of Boston butt pork roast. Yum! And oil. Here's my cast iron skillet. Later I'm going to show you how you need to protect your cast iron skillet. And I have a small crock pot. It really should have been bigger. It should have been bigger. But me being hard-headed, hey. Now I'm going to cut up my bell peppers. I like to cut all my veggies kind of thick. As you notice from the other videos, I just like to be able to taste my veggies. There's nothing wrong with wanting to taste your veggies. Nothing wrong. And make sure you put your leftover vegetables in a container. Walmart, Dollar General, Dollar Tree. All right. And here is the seasoning pack that I'm using. We're going to mix everything together. All the seasonings, you're going to put it in there. Your garlic powder, your complete seasoning, your pepper. You're going to put all your dry ingredients inside of this pan. Well, cereal bowl, I'm sorry. I can't see. I got glasses on, but y'all know what I mean, right? Yeah. Now stir it up. Stir it up really good. All right, now you're going to take this chicken bouillon cube and you're going to put it inside of a cup. Crumble it up a little bit. Crumble it up. I wish I had powder instead, because I'm telling you, this bouillon cube does not do right. Okay, I'm stirring it up, mashing it up, mashing. I'm going to make a rub. That's why I'm doing this, y'all. Making a rub. I'm going to pour it into my dry ingredients, all those seasonings that we got. We're going to mash it up and keep blending until you get it all covered up. All right. Now we're going to take this Boston butt pork roast. We're going to wash it. Wash it like you do your butt. Wash it on all sides, okay? Don't leave nothing out, okay? All right, now we're going to pat it. Pat it dry, because we don't want none of that excess water that we don't need inside the crock pot. Okay, now we're gonna rub it on. Rub it like you would your man. Go ahead, rub it. Don't forget the sides, y'all. Make sure you get the sides. Do not, because you want it to taste yummy. Don't miss nothing. Turn that bad boy over and do the other side. All right. Keep on rubbing that man, y'all. Keep on rubbing him. I'm pretty sure he appreciate it. Well, some of y'all do. Some of y'all don't. Then you're going to take a knife like you're mad at him. Stab it, stab it, stab it, stab it. Stab it when you get mad at that man. Stab it. I know that's what you want to do. I know that's what you want to do when he make you mad. Then we're going to put some flour on top. Look at that. Putting that flour. We're going to rub it on it, y'all. Make sure you rub it on there good. Flip it over. And then put some more flour on the other side. This is going to be really good, y'all. The flour is going to help you to bake some gravy. Oh, yeah. We love gravy now. We got to have that gravy. Don't forget to clean your cutting board, okay? Clean it very well. I use some Clorox wipes. And after you use the Clorox wipe, you want to go behind it again and put water on it and wipe it off, okay? You don't want to be eating Clorox. All right, that's enough. Now we're going to put 1/4 teaspoon of vegetable oil or whatever oils you want, olive oil, into a skillet. Get it hot. I shouldn't have done that. I put some water in there to show you that it was hot. Don't do that, people. Don't do what I do, okay? All right, let's put it on in there. Now it's going to be fried. You're going to hear that sucker frying. Turn it over. Look. Turn it over. Look at that. Look at that crust on there. Ooh, that's so good. Flip it over on all sides. Keep flipping. Keep on flipping. You want to make sure you coat that thing up like you would. I won't even say it. Okay. We're doing the sides. I don't know why I'm taking too long on this part. All right. It's all done. Look at that. We're not done on the inside. You're going to put it back in your crock pot. Put it in there. Put it on in there. Turn it over. And get ready. Get ready. Okay, I put some chicken bouillon cubes in there. All right, I'm not going to put that in yet. I'm going to kind of stir fry the vegetables with that stuff that was on the bottom of the pan. Ooh, all right, put your chicken broth in there that you made. Put it on in there. Yeah. This is going to help you with your gravy. Ooh, look at that. Look good already. I'm telling you, it smells so good. That's a bay leaf. I put a bay leaf in there. Just one, because my pot roast is kind of small and I don't want to be putting too many in there. Bay leaf is kind of strong. It'll take over. It'll take over, just like some of you guys. You just take over. Some of you women too. All right. Go ahead and pour your little bit more water in there. Just a little bit. Put a little more seasoning in there. Taste it. Make sure, that your seasoning is good. Because I'm going to tell you, whatever your liquor tastes like, that's what your pot roast is going to taste like. So make sure you keep tasting and tasting and tasting. You want it to be good. Then turn your crock pot on high and cook for about 4 to 5 hours. Or longer if needed, if you want it falling off the bones. Now I'm showing you how to clean your cast iron skillet. You're going to grease that sucker up. Grease it up. Grease it. And then you're going to flip the towel over and you're going to wipe it out. You got to do this, guys. You got to do it. Now make sure you get the sides too. All right? You got to do this to keep your skillet, your cast iron skillet, working. Almost like, I forgot what they call it. Anyway, I'm basting, y'all. I'm basting. Basting. Make sure you baste that. Remember, you stabbed it to death, so you want the juices to get on the inside, that flavor. Make sure you cover it back up. Now I'm going to cook me some rice, y'all. I always take the starch off my rice. Maybe I wash it about 2 times because I don't like it too starchy because I'm a diabetical, y'all. So I got to get some of that starch off of it. All right? If you're diabetical, you need to do the same too. Now I am making chicken broth. I didn't have any, so I had to make my own. I usually like using powder, but I didn't have any, so I had to use this, but it works out pretty good. So just pour it into your rice. I like my rice to be flavored. I don't like plain rice. Okay? Plain rice is just not good. Well, not to me, it's not. All right, put your top on, and then you set it there. On! Wait for it to cook. All right, I'm making a slurry, y'all. Slurry. This is nothing but water and flour mixed up. This is what you're going to use to make your gravy. You're going to make it thicker. I mean, if you like yours thicker, make up this flour water solution. Some people use cornstarch, but I didn't have any, so I had to use flour. And then I'm waiting on what I'm supposed to do. Come on, we're going to start braising it. Braise it. You're going to pour some on top. Remember, you stab holes in it. It should be going in there. Now it's done. It's done. I'm getting ready to taste it, y'all. I'm cutting me a piece. I put it on top of the rice. Oh, man, I can't wait. Oh, it's so good. Look at it. Look at that. Oh, and I topped it with some green onions. I love green onions. Oh, man. Good God, y'all. Good God. Look at that. Oh, my God. Let me tell you something. Ooh. 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 It's time for the taste test, y'all. Here goes. Look at that. Just look at it. Good Lord. I'm telling you, y'all make this, your family gonna really love you. I don't like eating with food in my mouth, but go ahead and try it. Let me know how it turned out for you, okay? Put it down in the comment section. Let me know what you would have added, what you would have left out. But the way I made it, it tastes pretty darn good. You will not be sorry, all right? Make sure you guys like, share, and please comment, okay? And really share. That's what I want you to do. Share it to your social media and to your family members and friends. Do that for Sandra Faye. All right? All right. So make sure you come back next week for another exciting recipe that you just could not resist. I'm going to Memphis, so I'm going to try to get my sister to cook a dish. Let's hope she does. We'll see what's going to happen. I'm coming for you, Religious Red. I'm coming. Until next time, people. Goodbye. And I'll see you with Cooking with Sandra Faye.